Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm at one Cleef and Arpels and I'm gonna collect earrings, which I will unbox at the end of the video, so please stay tuned. And I'm gonna check out a couple of items that I really like. By the way guys, if you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I'm waiting for my essay and going through this book with beautiful jewelry from one Cleef and Arpels and some articles about it and which celebrities worn it. It's so incredible. I really love everything from there. I wish I could just get them all. So beautiful. Really incredible jewelry, and that's why I like Van Cleef and Arpels, because their designs are so special, they're so stunning, and there's not many other brands that are at the same level as VCA. What do you guys think about this brand? Do you like it? Let me show you my earrings and the ring that I'm wearing from Frivole collection. I really love this, and I'm picking up the smaller earrings. I mentioned them in my previous videos, and by the way, I will link down the unboxing videos of both of these items. In case you want to check them out, I will link them down in the description box below. And I wanted to try on this ring. I really love it. I tried it on before in one of my videos. By the way, I will link down all the jewelry related videos in the description box below in case you want to have a look. This ring is so stunning. I really love it, and there are two different ways of how you can wear it, which I will show you in a minute. But I really like to wear it on two fingers. I think it's called in between the finger ring, and I can wear it on one finger as well. It's still too big for me. It's really difficult with the sizes. You need to try all of them in person, because even if one ring, for example, my Frivole ring is in a size 48, this one is too big for me. So let me show you. Actually, my essay is kindly helping me to show you guys how you can extend this ring. It's so cool. I really love it. I like both looks. I think I would wear it both ways, but it's so gorgeous. This ring is so going on my wish list eventually. I will see how I'm gonna be with my purchases this year, if I won't have many, if I'll be able to resist with certain Chanel purchases. I might be able to get it, but let's see. It's just so hard to plan anything. And I'm also considering getting my Cartier Love bracelet in white gold, which I'm still thinking about. But yeah, I will soon record my wish list for 2020 and I will share with you guys. So please consider subscribing to my channel if you are not subscribed. My essay is so sweet. She is showing me some of the items from the fine jewelry. This bracelet is so gorgeous and it looks amazing with my jacket. Look, you can even move those feathers. This is so cute. I really love it. I will try it on and show it to you guys. This bracelet is to die for, and it has yellow diamonds. Really stunning. I've never seen anything like that. Really gorgeous piece. I'm even scared to think how much this one cost, but yeah, it's really gorgeous. I think this one is at least 1 million, at least, pretty sure, but it's stunning, really stunning. Actually, many VCA clients buy this kind of fine jewelry and they wear it every day, which is pretty cool. It depends on with what outfits. Maybe this one wouldn't go with everything, but I think with my jacket it looks pretty good. I like the way it looks. I think it looks perfect with tweed jackets, oversized outfits. I wouldn't wear it with a dress. I don't think it's my style, but I would totally wear it with the jacket and trousers, maybe even jeans and certain Chanel tweed jackets. So stunning. And here's another item that I wanted to show you. So this necklace is made of gold, but it actually feels like fabric. It's so soft. This is incredible. VCA got inspired by textile designs. This necklace has diamonds, aquamarine, and unfortunately I don't know the name of the green stone. Sorry about that, but yeah, it's so stunning. I think this kind of necklace could be worn with just jeans and a t-shirt or some tweed blazer as well. It can be adjusted, which is so cool. You can make it longer or shorter. I really love it. Actually, it would look great with a sweater. I will show you how it looks on me with my oversized jacket. I really like black and gold combination. Really stunning. I'm so in love with both of these items. They are so incredible. Alright guys, I'm at home now and I'm gonna unbox the earrings that I bought for everyday wear. Here I have the receipt. I bought these earrings from Ion. I buy all my stuff from there. Here I also have their certificate of authenticity that comes with every item. As always, I will not open it. I showed it to you guys too many times in my previous videos because I get it with every single purchase from Van Cleef. And here is the travel pouch, which is so useful. I like that it's in a small size. I think I can't carry these earrings in a bigger pouch because it will just come out. My Say is so sweet. She gave me those rubber things to secure my earrings, but actually they look quite okay. I don't need to adjust them, but it's good to have just in case. And here is the box, my favorite part, to unbox these beautiful boxes from VCA. I really like the way it's packaged. It's so nice and I almost don't want to unbox it, but yeah, I can't wait to wear these earrings. They are really beautiful. Actually, I have been talking to some of you guys on Instagram and you were asking, why do I need to get two different sizes? I've just got the large size. Why am I getting the medium size? Because they're all the same. But actually, when I go to work and if I go to gym or to yoga after work, it's just so convenient to have smaller size on me. I don't have to take it off, and the big ones always have to be removed. I don't feel comfortable at the class. Yeah, so it's great to have smaller size, and also they are a lot lighter, so if I have a long day at work I can wear smaller earrings and I don't feel the weight. So sparkly. I love the way Frivole is reflecting the light. That's why this collection is my favorite collection from Van Cleef and Arpels. It's really stunning. And you can see the bigger size. For comparison, you see it's a lot bigger. They both are so incredible. I love them and I will wear all of them, but of course the smaller ones I will wear to work more often. And by the way, so comparing with the ring, you can see that this ring has both sizes, so it actually will look great with the smaller earrings and with the bigger one, which is perfect. This is what I wanted and that's why I bought that ring. I just wanted to create a set, but of course I'm still considering getting the Frivole earrings in a small size in white gold, which are really beautiful. I did show them in one of my videos. I really love them, and this is how they look on me. They are so going on my wish list as well. And I have to say, I really love the white gold from VCA. It is so shiny. It actually looks like platinum. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you liked my earrings and my ring, and please consider subscribing to my channel for more updates. I'm very passionate about jewelry. I love Van Cleef and Arpels, Cartier, and some other brands. I also like Chanel. I love the bags and ready to wear. So yeah, and sometimes I talk about high street items as well. So do feel free to check out my playlist, and do feel free to reach out to me on Instagram. The name of my Instagram account is the same as the name of my YouTube channel, which is Black and Gold Style. So yeah, please feel free to subscribe. I post at least 3 times a week, and I also post the updates via my Insta stories, so do feel free to check it out. Have a great day guys, and thank you so much for watching once again, and I'll see you next time. Bye!